How many numericals transfer? Valima, I watched, right? I watched.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Srinidhi.
So today we'll do problems, right? From thermodynamics, second last time.
Yes. Okay, Srinidhi only came up.
Sir, double question.
Last time I think not share the
Okay, anyway. So tell me what we will do today.
From thermodynamics.
Heat transfer and blackboard radiation. Huh?
Yes, sir. Sir, second law, heat transfer and black body, right, sir?
Thermodynamics or what? Transmission of heat. Huh?
Anything, sir.
Okay, try this problem, everyone. Everyone, try this problem, question number 7. Yeah. Jiva asked some black body radiation something, no? Last week paper will discuss. Any doubts in that? Here I am taking the question paper. In this, any doubt, ask me.
Third question, sir. Here it is.
Third question.
The third and ninth one, sir.
Go sit. Show me in this.
Yes, sir.
I'm showing
Third
that.
question, sir.
Sir, I have a doubt in second question, sir. Efficiency of Carnot engineers can be 100%.
Yes, sir. But that's not.
I took that option, but it independent of working substitute. Yeah,
Both are true, sir. Actually.
Option A wrong, right?
Yes, sir.
Why? Because
It will
efficiency equal to 1 minus T2 by T1. Compulsory, it depends on the temperature of the sink and temperature of the source. So A is wrong. And can be 100% is also wrong. B is in.
Why, sir?
Carnot engineers 100%.
100% efficiency, no, sir.
See here, that is ideal engine.
Yes, sir. This I tell.
No. Somewhat depends on the when Carnot will become ideal means 1 minus T2 should be 0 and T1 can be very large. Then that Carnot engine will become ideal engine. Carnot engine is an ideal engine only when condition temperature of the sink should be very, very low, temperature of the reservoir is very, very large. Then 1 minus 0, then 1. Understood?
Yes, sir.
It is possible, this much big temperature you can make it. So in ideally only it is possible. Are you understanding? and is not affected by thermal capacity of the source on the sink. It is affecting only. The reason is eta equal to 1 minus
Yes,
Q2
sir, sir. It is affecting, sir.
affecting 1 minus heat energy dropped at the sink. How much? M into specific heat of that sink into temperature T2 and M into S1 into temperature T. Depends, affects, na? Is saying not affected. So D is also wrong. And it is not depending on the working substance. Working substance means here gas only, na? Correct or not? The gas or air what you filled in the engine only is a working substance. It does not depend, no? It does not depend on any atomicity or gamma value or internal energy, like that thing. It won't affect, no? So D is only more appropriate.
Yes, sir.
Which question? Next one.
Sir, fifth question, can you once explain it?
Sure.
Sir, fourth is the fourth will be less than eta only, sir.
See, question number 3, first we'll see. Srinidhi.
Yes, sir.
The efficiency of the reversible heat engine is eta R. That the irreversible heat engine is eta I. Which of the following relations are correct? I mean, 3 are wrong only, no? So what do you mean by reversible heat engine? Carnot engine only.
Yes, sir.
Understood? It is a reversible only, na? Means in the reversible means you are taking that working substance in 4 various thermodynamical process and one what is a full cycle is completed. Correct? So its efficiency also we know that how much 1 minus T2 by T1. Now in case of irreversible heat engine, irreversible means what? You cannot bring the heat engine back to its initial state. So which is having more irreversible means anyway this is a Carnot engine only, na? Somewhat Carnot engine only is having more efficiency.
Yes, sir.
In case of irreversible means you are not able to take it back to original state, no? You are taking like this and again you are taking like this, again you are taking. You are not taking back to its original state. Initial state is different and final state is different, na? Then only we can say it is irreversible. Are you understanding the concept here? Correct or not? So, in any reversible heat engine and irreversible heat engine, which of the following relations are correct? Tell me. Which is having more efficiency? Reversible only having more efficiency. In all the heat engine, Carnot engine only more efficient, no? That is reversible only. Correct or not? So, eta R should be more than eta I only. Option A. Which is the right option key? Once check it. Wait a second, I have key. Correct only. Third option is A only. Correct only. Correct only, yeah.
Sir, fourth one is C, sir.
You want fourth one, huh?
Say, I mean, sir, I am telling. No, sir, fourth. Yes, sir, fourth one is C actually.
You want fourth one. Someone asked me.
Sir, I'm just telling. Sir, fifth one, can you once explain, sir?
Sure. First, Vishal is asking fourth. I will come back to you. An ideal heat engine working between what? TH and TL has efficiency how much? 1 minus how much here?
TL by T.
Very good. TL by TH.
Yes,
If
sir.
both temperatures are raised by 100 Kelvin, the new efficiency how much? So new efficiency 1 minus TL plus 100 and divide by how much?
TH plus 100.
TH plus 100.
Yes, sir.
So it will be how much new efficiency? We will do with the real thing. First, in first efficiency, what I will write? 1 minus some 100 by 200 I will take. How much its efficiency will be?
50%, sir.
100 by 200 means 0.5 only, na?
Yes, sir.
Now
50%.
in next situation, how much? With the real number, more clarity you can do.
Sir, 200 by 300.
Very good. 200 by 300 means 2 zeros cancels out 1 by 3. So 0.33. So
So that's
efficiency
why
is
less than eta, sir.
less than eta is the right answer. Then fifth problem, doubt by Srinidhi. Srinidhi means treasure of God. Sri means Sri Venkateshwar Swami. Treasure of Sri Venkateshwar Swami. Okay, so the thing is, reversible engine converts 1/6 of the heat into work. How much heat?
1/6 of
1/6, sir.
Into work means work done equal to how much here?
1/6 of
Q divided by 6 exactly. When the temperature of the sink is reduced by 62 degrees centigrade, the efficiency of the engine is doubled. Then the temperature of the source and sink how much? What is the initial efficiency formula?
W by Q.
W by Q. W value already given na? Q by 6 whole divided by Q.
1 by
QQ cancels out. What is the initial efficiency equal to? 1 by 6. And then when the temperature of the sink how much?
60,
Reduced by new temperature how much? T2 minus 62 degrees centigrade. Means in change in temperature in degree centigrade, Kelvin both are same only. That's what 62 Kelvin only I will write. Then what will happen to the new efficiency of the engine is doubled, na?
Yes, sir.
New efficiency become how much? 2 into eta. Means
1 by T.
2 into eta formula how much? 1 minus
T2 minus T1.
T2 by T1. Temperature of the sink by temperature of the reservoir. What a new efficiency? 1 minus T2 prime by T1 prime. And 1 minus temperature of the sink decreased as per the data.
Yes, sir.
So I can write T2 minus
62
62
by
and
T1.
temperature of the reservoir did not change. Then
2 minus
2 into 2 minus T2 by T1. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
So T1 minus T2 minus plus 62. That's what trust matter. I will not trust anyone. So what will happen here? 2T1 minus 2T2
by T1.
divided by T1. T1 cancels out. Okay. So T1 I will send that side. Minus 2T2 I will send this side. So what we will write?
Minus T1
2T2 minus T2 means T2 plus 62
minus
and
T1.
2T1 minus T1.
T1, sir.
I will keep aside equation number 2 or 1. Okay, very good. No issue. Here we got one more useful equation. What is first efficiency? 1 minus T2 by T1 equal to how much? 1 by 6. Na? Actually, what I am doing, I only don't know. Is asking T1, T2. Okay, we are in correct track only, right? Correct?
Yes, sir.
So we so T2 value how much?
T1 minus T2 by T1 equal to
1 minus T2 value shall I write T1 minus 62? Yes or no? Now if you take the LCM T1 equal to how much? T1 minus
T1
T1 plus 62 equal to 1 by 6. T1 I am bringing this side, 6 I am bringing this side. T1 cancels out.
12
6 2s are 12, 6 6 are 36 plus 1, 37. Anyway, after a lot of freedom struggle, I found answer 372 Kelvin. But again,
minus 2
sadistic question setter again we have to
You can see the options after finding T1, T2 minus T1 is equal to 62. You can see the options and find where the difference is 62 and
if three options are same means
that time we have to solve that. Here we have only option.
very
A.
good, Ray. Very good. We should appreciate him. Anyway, 62, 99 minus 37 means here 62 difference. Here
53.
53. No, 43.
43
43.
Here
43. 58.
8 option is
very good. Option 1. Already we proved here. 99 only, no? So option A is the correct answer. Clear? Next, any other doubts?
The 90 question.
Ninth question. Sixth problem, many times we discussed, Nora.
Yes, sir.
Next, yeah.
Sixth,
Next, which problem?
ninth.
Ninth you want.
When,
Sunday. Hey, 1 by 3. Sunday. Same. Sir, we already solved this.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
why-
sir. All this. So yes, sir.
16, sir. 16, sir.
1 by 3, 1 by 3.
16.
And 1 by 3 here.
81, yeah, 16.
Sir, I think we solved it last Sunday or Saturday, sir.
Yes. Vishal not came on that day.
When, sir?
This problem.
Friday.
Sir, we solved it on Saturday, sir.
Friday.
So that day it was online. So
Okay, sir. Ask one problem, sir. 16th problem, sir.
Anyway, after this class, I will explain separately to you.
Okay.
16th, who is asking 16?
Yes, sir.
You are?
Yes, sir.
Vishal. Okay, let me check it out. The temperature drop through a 2 layers of furnace wall is how many degrees centigrade?
900 degree.
Furnace layer means 2 metal rods they will keep. One metal slab. They'll put like a Chiranjeevi, go and spill some water on your face. Go. Sleeping is actually good for healthy, but when you are in the class, it is not good. For me also, I will get sleep, but you have to wash frequently. For every 1 hour, God gave this much plenty of water, no? Why? Not only for drinking.
Plenty of time to sleep. We should sleep. We can sleep nicely. We sleep a lot.
Then after that, begging. After degree, what will you do? This is your age of your hard working. Understood?
Parents will always sleep.
By the see Vishal, my father is a central government employee. He was no more right now. He's a central government employee, and when he is walking on the road, that is company people called him and give the job. Are you understanding? When he, I mean, no competition, I am telling. when that by their your parents' time, this much competition is not there. Are you understanding? My father, his brother, everyone, when they are leisurely walking on the road and reading newspaper, drinking tea, all they called and give the job.
Grandfather.
Are you understanding? Now that situation is there, no?
No, sir. Recently,
One Zomato delivery boy only 1:10 competition is there. Yeah, correct only. If you go to Zomato, come, take the job, not like that. Then predict like top engineering jobs. Are understanding? If you sleep like that, na, actually mother and fathers are villain for your career. Mother will tell, eat nicely, eat time to time, sleep 10-12 hours. Understood? You have to tell, tomorrow test is there, I did not complete the syllabus. And if
Why
I
you not studied previously?
then you realize now you have to cover, that is your responsibility, na? Understood? You have to convince them. If you won't convince your parent, how will you convince your company, world? Understood? You have to tell. Okay. My father told me, enough, you study inter, enough, you go and join in one job. On that day, if I listen to my father's word, na, I would not reach to this position. Correct or not? I have clarity on my career. I told I will study MSc. Understood? Correct or not? You are matured people. You have to judge. You have to take some decisions. Mother will tell with affection. She will tell. Now before Monday, she will prepare nicely this much biryani. If you eat nicely, this much ghee, you will sleep like a pig. Understood? Okay, then who will write CPT in CPT? Zero, mutta. Understood? Correct or not? Love and result both are reciprocal, Vishal. Are you understanding? Okay, clear or not? Okay. For example, you just imagine you completed your engineering. Understood? From America, one best offer came, some 3 crore, 4 crore package you came. Initially, your mother will not get visa. Will you leave your mother or not? Correct or not? You will leave 1 year or 2 years. You will bring her also visa and you will take. Correct or not? First, our career is important. Understood? If you are reaching peak position, then they will feel proud. Yes, my son restlessly, all are sleeping, but in the night time he worked hard. That is the reason for his position like that, they will tell. Understood? Like average human being, 10-12 hours if you sleep. This is your hard working age. Understood? This 1 year completed. Next year, restlessly you have to hard work. Then only you can secure one admission in either IIT or NIT. Your career is settled. Understood? If your mother tell, why are you studying? Turn off light and sleep. Your father is telling, we will go to theater. Like that, if you obey their instruction, mean your career will be understood. You will not reach your peak. Correct or not? Finally, everything you have to adjust in your life. Correct or not? Okay, anyway, I went very deep philosophy because of Vishal. Okay. You only, na? So the temperature drop. Look at the temperature drop through the 2 layers furnace wall. How much? 1000 minus 100. How much? 900 degrees centigrade. Each layer has how much area? Area of cross section capital A. And the following actions will result in lowering temperature theta. Not understood. Which of the following action will result in lowering the temperature theta of the interface? In which of the following actions will result in lowering the temperature? Okay, this is interface. This is interface, student. This is first slab. This is the another slab. What the temperature of the junction or interface is given? Theta is given, and I will assume thermal conductivity of the left layer is K1. Thermal conductivity of the second layer is K2. So shall I write here heat current in first slab same as heat current in second slab with your permission? So shall I write I1 equal to I2? Then tell me, Chiranjeev, what is heat current formula in left slab? Sir, why are you asking me, sir? They are telling I will tell. Tell me. You can tell me. Forgot. Anyone will tell?
Change in temperature
Means 100 minus, directly I am writing 100 minus theta, sorry, 1000 minus theta. Temperature difference across the slab, 1000 minus theta divided by length.
Length. So length and K will get cancelled, right? Sorry, length will get
By
cancelled, right?
K1 into A. And what is the heat current in the second slab? Very good. Theta minus 100 divided by L by K2 into A. L by A nicely cancels out. So how much K1 into 1000 minus theta equal to K2 into how much? Theta minus 100. We have to simplify 1000 into K1 minus K1 into theta equal to how much? K2 into theta minus 100 into K2. This value bring this side, this value bring this side. So 1000 K1 plus 100 K2 equal to how much? Theta bracket start K1 plus K2. So what is temperature of the junction or interface? 1000 K1 plus 100 K2 whole divided by how much here? K1 plus K2. Now you people eliminate 3 incorrect option. First option I will verify by increasing the thermal conductivity of the outer layer. Outer layer means K2 value we have to increase. Correct?
Yes, sir.
We have to check out. We have to decrease the theta value. By decreasing theta, if you increase, he is telling K2 alone has to increase. I will check out 2 situations. Theta equal to, shall I write initial temperature 1000 plus 100, 1 whole divided by 1 plus 1 I can write now. I hope you understand. I am doing with a real number. So what will happen? 1100 divided by 2. How much it will be? 2 5s are, 2 5s are, 2 zeros are. Next situation I increase it slightly. Means 1000 plus 100 into 10 I will take. K2 10 I have taken. Understood? Are you understanding everyone what I am saying? Or else for better effect 2 I will take. Here also how much? 1 plus 2 I will take. So how much it will be? 1200 by 3. 3 ones are 3, 400 are. Decrease, na? So option 1 only the perfect answer for the question. Do you need to waste your time?
Option C
Sir,
and D.
if we increase the thermal conductivity of first also it would
We don't care. We are verifying options only. If it is single correct option, A is only our answer. If A is correct means B is wrong, na? Reverse.
B option also, sir.
Yes, sir.
Verify that.
Yeah, we can verify. We'll do it. No, I don't think so. Theta 1 equal to how much?
100 into
You can have
1000 into 1 plus
100 into
1 I will take and divide by 1 plus 1 I will take. 1100 by 2 means 5550. Then next case 1000 into 2 I will take and 100 I will take. Divided by 3 I will take. So 100 by 3. 700. Wrong.
The thickness means by increasing the length or length only of the thickness.
Length, thickness here sounds same only. I hope the strategy you understood very well, right?
Yes, sir.
Clear everyone?
man. Next question, sir. It is related to this question.
Next question.
The above problem, the ratio of initial rates of cooling. So then the options are repeated. That is something, but what is the answer for this?
First and third option are repeated. Second and fourth option are repeated.
What will be the rate of cooling, sir?
Wow. Rates of falls of temperature, ma'am. In the above problem, ratio of initial rates of cooling and rates of falls of temperature.
I have now 16%. What is the 900 degrees Celsius? That is theta or
1000 minus 100. Temperature difference across the two
That is
layers.
not theta, no, sir.
Not theta.
I thought that is theta, sir. I thought.
You should not think like that. If you don't understand the data also, no problem, but you should not misunderstand. Without understanding, if you leave the problem also, no problem. By misunderstanding and inside the exam hall, if you do circus only, problem. Are you understanding? Okay. In the exam hall, please avoid circus.
17th one, we have to take reference from 16th problem, sir.
Yes, yes.
Sir, but I got confused because you said above problem, but I mean, in device will get the problems differently, right, sir?
Yeah,
So
yeah, yeah.
confused, where is that problem, sir? That's why I didn't understand that.
Depends, sir. Depends is strong means you want to what.
Sir, in 17th, we have to use Newton's law of cooling, right?
No, 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 no.
Isn't?
No, no. dt by dt. This formula only you have to use.
Oh, okay, sir.
This I is equal to dt by L by K into A, no?
rate of cooling?
And either side you have to divide with dt. Rate of fall of temperature means right side you have to divide with dt, left side also you have to divide with dt. Understood? Any more doubts? Tell me.
Sir, 28. Last question.
20th problem.
Yes, sir.
Twentieth problem, a substance of mass m kilogram requires an input power capital P watt to remain in the molten state at its melting point. When the power source is turned off, the sample completely solidifies in T seconds. Then the latent heat of the fusion of the substance is how much? What is the heat required to melt the substance? M into L only, na?
Yes, sir.
Energy is nothing but power is nothing but heat energy required in 1 second.
Yes, sir.
So you can write P into T by equal to M into L.
Yes, sir.
Then latent heat formula how much? PT by M only, no? So option C is the right answer for the question.
Sir, I put it as P by T, sir. Work done by time. Power by time. Power into time. The P by T put it. After the mass, I will. Yeah.
Okay, students. So your homework I sent PDF na heat transfer tomorrow. Complete all level 1, level 2 problems. Sorry, classwork. Please write it down. PDF I send na heat transfer. Level 2 classwork is enough. 10 to 12 problems will be there.
So when say you
Yes,
send?
sir.
Before long one you send.
Now, if you want, now I will send. No issue.
Yes, sir. Can you send one thing? That PDF.
Heat transfer level to all problems, classwork alone. Hardly 10, 12 will be there. And in that, try completely. Any doubts? Tomorrow we'll discuss like that. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Sorry, I, I, I put another drive. I am searching rigorously. Sharp brain. Are?
USB drive, yes, sir. Sir, don't need to open like this, sir. You
Ah.
click that yellow color, sir. Yellow in the taskbar. Left, yellow color. That yellow, sir.
You here?
Yes, sir, click that, sir. Scroll,
USB drive.
let's say,
Ah.
that's all, sir. Open, sir.
Compulsory in that protocol only I should open. Huh?
No, sir.
No, that's easier, sir.
If you open like that only, you can eject it very perfectly.
No, sir. Anyhow, you can eject it perfectly, sir.
How?
Right click and give eject storage media.
Okay.
While ejecting. If you have made any changes, you should do that.
2A I am sending students. 2A I think only concept will be there. So 2B also I will send. Classwork. Okay, complete that problems. Okay, and any doubts we will discuss tomorrow. Compulsory you have to do it. Only less problems, less work I gave. Clear? Thank you. Thank you, students. Bye.